Slate has raised the price of their electric truck by several $1,000s. It's now slated to begin in the mid-20s, instead of less than $20,000. The price hike is believed to be related to the elimination of the clean car credit. Slate made a splash with an affordable electric pickup that was slated to cost less than $20,000 after federal incentives. However, that's no longer the case, as the company has quietly updated their website to say the blank Slate is expected to be priced in the mid-20s. The company went on to say the price is subject to change and does not include taxes, fees, and accessories. While the latter is to be expected, Slate's revised statement suggests we can expect a price hike of around $5,000. That makes the truck far less appealing, as the bigger and better equipped Ford Maverick begins at $28,145. Slate hasn't publicly addressed the change, but it appears to be tied to President Trump's signing of the One Big Beautiful Bill into law. The sprawling piece of legislation includes everything from a tax deduction on auto loan interest to funding for a Golden Dome missile defense system. It also cut funding for solar and wind facilities, as well as the clean vehicle credit. The latter will be phased out on September 30, 2025, instead of December 31, 2032. This applies to both new and used vehicles. While the changes are brief, just one line for the previously owned clean vehicle credit, they'll have a huge impact on electric vehicles, as consumers will no longer get a discount of up to $7,500. This means prices will likely rise, while demand could fall. It's not hard to see why, as it would be easy to live with a few trade-offs for less than $20,000. However, at around $25,000, things get a little more complicated. That being said, the Slate truck will have a rear-mounted motor producing 201 horsepower, 150 kilowatts/204 PS, and 195 lb-ft, 264 Newton-meters, of torque. It will be powered by 52.7 and 84.3 kilowatt-hour battery packs, which deliver ranges of approximately 150 and 240 miles, 241 and 386 kilometers. Customers can also expect a leisurely 0 to 60 miles per hour, 0 to 96 kilometers per hour, time of around 8 seconds, and a top speed of 90 miles per hour, 145 kilometers per hour.